Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode of our special podcast where we talk about life, love, and learning. I'm your host and friend, Leo Valentine, and today I have with me the incredibly talented and charming Elora Rose.
Thank you, Leo. And hello, everyone. Today's topic is something very special because we'll be talking about a challenge that almost everyone has faced at some point: how to speak English fluently and confidently.
That's right. Whether you're preparing for an interview, introducing yourself in a new group, or meeting your fiance's family for the first time, communication skills play a huge role. But don't worry. Today, we'll share some practical tips that you can start using right away.
So without further ado, let's dive in.
Elora, let's dive into something that many people struggle with: speaking English confidently and fluently, especially when it comes to situations where they feel nervous or self-conscious, like meeting their fiance's family or speaking in a formal setting.
Yes, Leo. This is a challenge for so many people. Even if they understand English well, when it's time to speak, they freeze, feel anxious, or worry about making mistakes.
Exactly. And that's completely normal. Even the most fluent speakers feel nervous at times. The key is, how do we manage that nervousness and turn it into confidence?
Great question. Let's imagine a scenario. Say someone is engaged and they're about to meet their fiance's family for the first time. The family speaks English and they don't feel completely fluent. They're worried about saying the wrong thing. What should they do?
First of all, let's break this fear down. Most people think confidence comes from knowing every word perfectly, but that's not true. Confidence comes from how you carry yourself and how comfortable you are in the conversation.
I love that. People are so focused on, will I say this perfectly? That they forget. A conversation is about connection, not perfection.
And here's the first tip: slow down your speech. When people are nervous, they tend to speak fast, making their words unclear. If you slow down, it not only makes you sound confident, but it also gives you time to think.
That's a great point. Also, pause when needed. If you forget a word, don't panic. Just take a breath and continue. Native speakers do this all the time.
Yes, and another trick is mirroring the other person's speech style. If they speak slowly, match their pace. If they use simple sentences, do the same. This makes the conversation flow naturally.
Leo, one of the biggest fears people have is, what if I make a mistake? How should they handle that?
Simple. Laugh it off and keep going. Nobody expects you to be perfect. If you say something wrong, just correct yourself or smile and move on. Most people will appreciate your effort.
Yes, and honestly, most people don't even notice small mistakes. What they notice is your attitude. If you stay calm and positive, they'll feel comfortable talking to you.
Right. Another great way to boost confidence is practice. Talking in front of a mirror, recording yourself, or even practicing with a friend can help you get comfortable with your own voice.
And don't forget to expand your vocabulary naturally. Instead of memorizing long lists of words, try learning phrases that you actually use in conversations.
Yes. For example, if you're meeting your fiance's family, practice common phrases like, "It's so nice to meet you. I've heard so much about you. I'm really excited to be here." These small sentences make a big impact and help you start the conversation smoothly.
That's such a great idea, Leo. Also, asking questions is a powerful trick. When you're nervous, shift the focus to the other person by asking them something simple like, "How was your day? What do you love about this place?" People love talking about themselves, and this helps you keep the conversation going without stressing too much about what to say next.
Brilliant. And here's another trick. Body language matters just as much as words. Even if your English isn't perfect, a warm smile, eye contact, and open posture make you look confident.
Yes, and hand gestures help too. They make you look more expressive and natural, but be careful not to overdo it. Keep it balanced.
One more important point: think in English. Many people translate every sentence in their head before speaking, which slows them down. Instead, practice forming thoughts in English directly.
Absolutely. A great way to do this is by talking to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing, what you see, or what you're thinking.
Yes, like right now, I could say, "I'm sitting here talking to Elora about confidence in English. She's smiling, and I can hear the soft music in the background."
That's perfect. The more you do this, the more natural English will feel.
And don't forget, confidence is a mindset. If you tell yourself, I'm bad at English, your brain will believe it. But if you say, I'm learning and improving every day, you'll naturally feel more confident.
That's so powerful, Leo. And one last thing, be kind to yourself. Learning a language is a journey, and every conversation is a step forward.
So to summarize, speak slowly and pause when needed. Practice common phrases for real-life situations. Ask questions to shift focus from yourself. Use confident body language. Think in English instead of translating. Believe in yourself.
And most importantly, enjoy the process. English isn't just about rules, it's about expressing yourself and connecting with people.
Exactly. So, to everyone listening, go out there, start speaking, and embrace the journey of learning.
And most importantly, don't be afraid of making mistakes. People aren't listening to judge your grammar, they're listening to understand you and connect with you.
Exactly. So keep practicing, make learning fun, and enjoy the journey of improving your English. And if you enjoyed this episode, let us know. Don't forget to follow us for more exciting topics in the future.
That's all for today. We'll see you in the next episode with another interesting discussion.
Until then, take care.
Good night, sweet dreams, and take care.